Here's Katie with her hog harness. The only harness that will fit her dimensions, rather. So, I let her drag it around the backyard. I just follow her so she can investigate whatever she needs to do. Every now and then we catch a crawdad out of that creek. And, oh my gosh, she loves crawdads. People, raccoons love crawdads more than anything. Like their eyes light up and they're just, it's the best thing in the whole wide world. What are we eating? So, normally we have beef and noodles, and there's something delicious in the dirt. So, I'm so glad that you have all of your immunizations. Who knows what you're going to pick up? Oh, well, the cats have been bringing mice trophies to my back porch right there. There's Wilbur. And Blue. Right there. Dead mice.